This module gives you advice on how to use the hardware supplied by Learn to power and to make use of your e-library. The full Learn pack contains an electronic library called an e-library. Pre-installed with the tablet is a micro SD card that holds large resource files. A USB plug and cable are used to charge the tablet, and a surge protector ensures that the process remains safe. The tablet is protected by a covering case, which can be also used as a raised platform. A solar charger combined with a power pack lets you keep your e-library charged throughout the day, and the LED light assists at night by acting as a powerful torch. Learn packs and their contents may vary depending on your team's license. Please feel free to skip past some sections in the tutorial if they do not apply to you. The most essential item in the pack is the e-library electronic tablet. This device lets you access the Learn app and resources. It also acts as a gateway to online study aids. The standard tablet spec includes a 10.1-inch high-definition screen that lets you view resource files in crystal clear quality. The quad processor makes using the Learn app fast and responsive. The internal memory is measured at 16 gigabytes, which can hold hundreds of resources. There is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, and the micro HDMI socket means you can connect it to a compatible television or monitor. Each tablet offers a jack to plug earphones into. It runs on the latest version of Android operating system, which is designed to run apps faster and smoother. Each e-library comes with an electronic tablet. The standard size is 10.1 inches. However, this may vary depending on your team's license. Bundled with the tablet is a USB charger, a power cable, a surge protector, a brief instruction manual and warranty card, and a pre-installed micro SD card. The micro SD card adds additional memory to the tablet. The standard size is 32 gigabytes, which can hold hundreds of large resource files. The card is pre-installed with the tablet and should not be removed. Taking it out may cause the Learn app to stop working, so only do this if requested by Learn staff. You can insert or eject a card through a slot on the tablet casing. Use your fingernail or a paper clip to help ease it in or out. The tablets are charged using a USB plug and cable. The cable attaches to the tablet casing through a small socket. Please ensure you do not force the end of the cable inside and that it is the correct type and turned the right way round. Any damage shown here may forfeit any warranty claim. The USB plug fits into a power socket. However, to lessen issues relating to power surges, use the surge protector. This acts as a barrier or a fuse between the main power socket and your tablet and should always be used when charging. The tablet cover helps protect your e-library from scratches and accidental damage. It is made from a sturdy material, but please remember to always take care. Dropping your tablet, even in its case, will void your warranty if it breaks. Place your tablet inside the cover using the grab handles to hold each edge in place. The elastic strap keeps the tablet fully closed when you are traveling. The cover can also be used as a raised platform, which is useful when typing. Fold the angles round and slot the end of the case into the grooves to keep it sturdy. Some of the Learn packs include a keyboard with a case. A small cable attaches directly into the tablet to power the device. The keyboard option turns a tablet into a netbook computer. The virtual keyboard will be replaced by a physical one, which also gives you more room on the screen to type. The solar charger provides free, efficient power to run your e-library by using light from the sun. It stores energy into a power bank battery or directly into your tablet or other device like a phone. The solar charger has two panels and folds into a compact design. It is lightweight, so it is easy to carry and fit into a bag or rucksack. The zipped pocket keeps cables and accessories secure and in one place. To use the solar charger, place it somewhere where it won't be trampled on and where it has access to most light. You can even use the attachment points to hang it from a wall or a tree. However, the solar charger does not retain power by itself. You need to attach a device to it to draw in that power. Please note that the solar charger uses the sun's light and not the sun's heat. Therefore, in extreme temperatures, please protect the charger, i.e., in extremely hot weather, make sure that it is under some kind of shade, yet getting maximum light. The solar bank is a portable battery that retains power generated from the solar charger or from a wall socket. It is suitable for all types of phones, tablets, and other USB connection devices. It can provide at least one full charge of your e-library when the power level is low. To store power from the solar charger, simply use the built-in USB cable to connect it. The 4 LED lights indicate how much power it currently holds. Please note that the power bank is also affected by heat. Please protect the power bank in extreme temperatures. When full, disconnect the power bank and use it to charge your devices at night or whenever you need it. The battery retains power for months, so you can take it with you on long trips if required. Be aware that this process can take several hours, and the longer you leave between charges, the longer the recharge. The LED light offers a powerful light source by using a USB connection from your power bank. The strong, flexible stock is adjustable and holds the light steady once set to a preferred angle. When not in use, it is robust enough to put into a bag or rucksack. It draws very little power and provides a wide source of light for your home or study area. It is fully portable, so you can light the path as you walk at night. The following tips give advice and instruction on using your device. Please listen to them carefully to avoid breakdowns and warranty issues. When using your solar charger, do not place it in direct sunlight if the temperature is high. Doing this may cause the panels to break or melt. Instead, place it in the shade but make sure the panels have access to the light source. You can charge multiple items at the same time when using your solar charger. So while you're charging your power bank, you can also attach your e-library or phone. Your solar charger is always gathering power if it has a light source. If you do not have something connected to it, you are essentially wasting that energy. One tip is to create a rota of devices so something is always being charged. Just because you have a solar charger and power bank does not mean you can't charge your devices directly from the mains. You can plug your tablet through the surge protector into the main supply at any time to charge it. The same goes for the power bank. Please ensure you do not let your e-library tablet run out of power. It takes significantly longer to recharge the first 10%. One tip is to recharge your device when it dips below 50%. Remember, you can switch the tablet off when it is not required, which also saves power. You have now completed this module. To recap, close this video, then press the Start button to complete the summary questions before proceeding to the next module.